All right. So if you guys are not familiar with this, I'm going to actually demo a couple of things for you. Now, this has come in handy for me. I do a lot of content creating, and I use this to actually capture myself and film myself sometimes. So it has great functions. Not only that, I use it to surf the internet, to actually go on TikTok and so forth. The controller first, right? The controller has a lot of functions, so many functions that I might not even be able to teach you all of them. Included this little device here, phone in there, and you could just pretty much put it any direction you want and set it up, or you want to carry the actual control with you on hand in case you fall asleep and you don't want to drop it and lose it. And then, of course, they give you a type A to type C. So to turn it on, I'm gonna show you how to program the whole thing. All right, we're gonna program our phone, right? So you turn it on here, and you're gonna have to go into the Bluetooth devices, right? Bluetooth devices, and you're gonna have to look for this particular thing while it's blinking. So right now, it's trying to look for it, and it found it right now. Right here, BLE-M9. So it's programming right now. So once you pair it from here, you can also pair it to other systems too. It works for iPhones and Droids. So right now, I'm gonna take you for TikTok, for example. I'm gonna put the volume down because you can't hear anything. So if you guys can see, I'm in TikTok right here, and you could go up, down, left, right. You can see all the channels, everything that you do on your phone, you can do it from here. And then lots more. You can even take pictures and record yourself within this system. All right. So once you go up and down, you could, and then if you hit this one right here, you could put the volume down. All right. With this button, you can mute it if you want. And then you can play the audio back in case you don't want to hear anything like that. Now, this one right here takes a snapshot. It pauses and it replays. Now, if we go back, I'm going to show you one of the great things I like about this. So the camera, for example, I'm going to put something right behind in front of the camera here. You could change cameras, right? So that's the back camera right now. By push of a button, back and forward. Camera to me, if you guys can see that. Camera to the back. And then, of course, you can restart recording. Start recording from there. You can stop it. And of course, you could take pictures, you could do controllers, but the one thing I like it's like you could surf the YouTube also too, the shorts too. It works well in there. So let's go to YouTube Shorts. Like I said, it also works well on Shorts, on YouTube Shorts. So if you're going to use this device for TikTok or YouTube, it's going to work great too. So very simple, out of the box, many functions you could use it for. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.